to do is to take DeLorean to the city because DeLorean have never been Estonian capital city. Most of the time this is my transportation vehicle on the village, which I used to go to drive between my home and garage. It's a long drive, 100 meters. Hello to Mater. As you can see, the sun is up. Now we are going to my other garage. I haven't shown you much this other garage. It will be a long drive to my other garage. It's 100 meters. What I like about this car, listen to the turbo sound it makes. Wait for it. It has two turbos. Very nice the fall, but the tomatoes are not growing very good anymore. That's no good. This is my other garage. There is the DeLorean is hiding at the moment because I don't have room in my main pirate garage. Here she is. I show you how it's done. Don't you worry now. I'm professional. And it goes here. And lucky that I saw some of my time machine equipment is loose. In safety first, and we are going back to my other garage, which is very far away, 100 meters. That is a very good screw. This will not come loose. God damn it, I forget the ignition in, and it's gonna be battery empty. It's gonna be very bad. This wire is an ignition. Don't worry, I will put later a switch inside cabin. Yesterday when I was in the city, I was looking for the place to take my good friend DeLorean, and I found one place. Yeah, so it's like 35 kilometers from my home. That's why the poor man is poor. Because of the expensive coffee. But same time it keeps the economy running. Maybe this is the spot. I like that the cars are coming over this hump. And we are in the city. It's a beautiful city. Okay, you see how the cars are coming? Yes, it's very nice. So I better do it fast. If the police is coming from there and they will see me here, I hope I have time to escape. Now this time we are going to use the Finch. If I start this car in the city, it's gonna be maybe a problem. All right, girls and boys. Now we need to escape. As in Estonia we say, pane jope tagurpidi selga ja punuma. It means like change your clothes and run away.